Hey guys, if you're looking for a super simple dessert, I mean super simple, you have to try these chocolate-filled crescent rolls. Absolutely delicious, only 2 ingredients. So let me show you how to make this right after this. So what I have here is a tube of about 8 crescent rolls. So I'm just going to go ahead and pop this open. And you can pick this up in just about any grocery store. And here we go, guys, with the old twist and pop. There we go. And I'm just going to lay this down on a tray lined with some parchment paper. And give it the old roll out. It's a little bit sticky right now, but that's okay. I just love how easy this stuff is. There we go, guys, our crescent rolls. And I'm just going to take my pizza cutter here, which I always use for a dough cutter, multi-purpose, and just kind of cut this out along the lines. Normally you wouldn't have to do that, but mine's a little bit sticky. And we're just going to kind of go ahead and space these out a little bit. Then I'm going to grab up some chocolate chips, and these are semi-sweet. You can use sweet or unsweetened depending on how sweet you want them, and just kind of spread these over the pastry. I just love my chocolate. And this is probably about, well, I'd say about a tablespoon or so on here. Then I'm just going to take the wide end of the triangle and just roll these puppies up. Make them look all pretty, just like crescent rolls. Now we're all rolled up. I'm going to slip this into a 375 degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 12 to 15 minutes, just until those crescent rolls are nicely browned. After about 12 minutes, they're beautifully browned, and I can really smell that chocolate, and that pastry just fills the air. We're going to let these cool completely, but they smell absolutely incredible. Okay, next up what I've done, guys, is taken some chocolate chips and melted them down in the microwave. And then I'm going to put them in a piping bag and pipe these on so it looks nice and pretty. And we'll just go ahead and pipe these on. Oh, just look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. You think I was born a baker. And there you have it, guys, our 2 ingredient chocolate crescent rolls. Now you could go ahead and add some powdered sugar over the top, but I think that's a bit of an overkill. They look just beautiful the way they are, and I'm sure they're going to taste good. Okay, I just can't resist. Let's crack one open and see here. Oh, wow. Okay, dig in time. Guys, again, this is so good. You know, you could put me in a pastry shop and I could be there for days. I just love the taste of fresh pastry. And covered with that chocolate, you don't need anything else, just chocolate and pastry. Get me my coffee cup and I could be here all day. I just love it. You gotta make this. For this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of cool dessert recipes over there. Thanks for watching, and if you like what you saw, smash that subscribe button, and see you next time.